Hello everyone. So in this part of Agent Development Kit tutorial, I'll be walking you through this amazing agent-to-agent protocol code lab where we'll be setting up a purchasing concierge and there will be two remote sellers. One will be a pizza and a burger just for the sake of this demonstration, and that agent will be communicating with the uh, burger and the pizza sub that is the sub agents or the remote to remote communication. So it's just for showing you the high level structure of how it will work. This is our main purchasing concierge. As you can see right over here, this is the main purchasing concierge. I'll be walking through more detail in the next step. So it has this purchasing concierge can call the two remote sellers which are being deployed on the GCP right over here. As you can see, this is the burger agent. Okay, so this is the burger agent and this is the pizza agent. I'll also walk you through this in detail in the next steps. So yeah, we have this purchasing concierge and we have this two remote seller. One is the pizza agent. As you can see that it has a set of agent task which it will follow right over um, here, creating the burger orders for which it is responsible, the burger agent. And yeah, this is very important when we set up an agent. We have a set of instructions that we are giving. You are a specialized assistant for the burger store. Your sole purpose is to answer the questions about what is available on the burger menu, and yeah, the rules and the context and everything. So this is the main agent which is being called when we invoke the burger related query. As you can see right over here, show me the burger and pizza menu. So yeah, as you can see, this is what we got. This happens when it is communicating with this particular agent. Similarly, in case of the pizza agent, we have the same directory structure. This Docker file that you are able to see over here is basically the deployment that we have, as I was previously showing. This too public, they have public access, so make sure that if it is unauthenticated, then you um, disable some, or else it will be accessible. All right. So yeah, so this is the pizza agent, and we have this pizza agent dot py file. Same, it has the order item and creating the pizza order. Yeah, so this is a doc string which is being executed. It tells that what it takes, list of order items to be added to the order, and a message indicating that the order has been created. So yeah, this is the overall structure. I'll just walk you through the overall architecture, which is uh, right over here. Yeah. So in the agent to agent communication, it utilizes a client server principle as it is shown over here. This is the client and this is the server, where a part is sent as a message and then there is a task which takes place sequentially based on how it is defined. So A2A clients will first discover all the accessible A2A server agent cards and then utilize its information to build a connection client. In our case, it is the pizza and the burger client. As you can see over here, the main architecture, the user will be interacting with the purchasing concierge, which we saw right over here. This is the purchasing concierge, and as soon as there is a query related to burger or pizza, it will interact with the burger agent and the pizza agent. So this is how it is communicating among each other remotely. Now, similar to what we previously saw, we need some of the prerequisites, like we need to enable the billing account and everything on our Google Cloud platform. And then there are a set of commands. Make sure that you are working on a particular project and you have a project ID set up for that, as you can see right over here. All right. Yeah, so I'm working with this my first project, which is the name of the project, and the project ID is where subset. Yeah, so you need this project ID in multiple places to set up the .env. So make sure that you have that written somewhere. Yeah, so this all the prerequisite steps right over here, and then to see the list of accounts and everything. I have already did those steps. So coming back to the part where we deploy our first, like the pizza and the burger agent, just walk you through that part. We are currently in the purchasing concierge A2A, which is right over here, as you can see, right over here. And yeah, creating the virtual environment has the list of uh, frameworks that we need. So we need which are deployed right from here. And then we call this to enable the APIs and everything. And this is the structure. So now we first start by deploying the burger seller agent. As you can see over here. Yeah, it is being deployed. Just go down to show you where exactly it is deployed. Okay, building. Okay, right. Yeah, so this is the one which is for the pizza, but I'll also show you, and it shows the particular URL for this is the one for the pizza, and this is I can directly show you right from here. This is the burger agent. This is the URL. We need this particular URL that is being deployed for the burger agent as well as the pizza agent in the .env file. And just to be sure, you can also call that particular endpoint. And as you can see that this is the URL. It will be set to a default like 0.0.0 something. And then you have to go to this page. You need to copy this URL right from here. Then just go to edit and deploy section, and then go down and scroll to this thing, variables and secrets, and you need to add this thing, host override, and then it can be called. Similarly, we do it for pizza as well. So yeah, once we have this setup and we have both our agent deployed, which is the remote seller agent, the burger agent, and the pizza agent. Both of them has to be running. In my case, it is public access, but make sure that you set up to require authentication so that it's not accessible from everywhere. Finally, once we have both of them deployed, as we just saw this JSON file, and we were able to see that it should not have this 0.0.0 something, and it should be replaced with the URL for the burger agent and the pizza agent respectively. The same steps, going to those areas and updating the variables and the secrets that I just showed. This will be this, and then we deploy the pizza agent. Okay, so uh, right, yeah, as I was previously showing you, yeah, we can see that this is service pizza agent revision has been deployed, and this is the URL. Now we need to store this in the storage bucket. So we give this command to have this staging bucket created, and then finally copying those environment variables into our environment variable. And then we deploy the agent engine, which is the main engine, the purchasing concierge. And yeah, once that is successful, our agent is up and running. So this purchasing concierge will communicate with these two remote sellers. One is the burger agent and one is the pizza agent. So basically, how will the flow work like? It's like this. There's an agent.py which is set to direct what uh, the flow. As you can see that the burger pizza seller agent URL, and this is the burger agent URL, and this is the main purchasing agent right over here. uh, yeah, so it has the purchasing agent class. So this is the agent responsible for choosing which remote seller agent to send tasks. So this is very important. Based on what prompt we give right over here, burger and pizza, it will decide that this request has to be diverted to which remote seller, pizza or the burger. So accordingly it will create the agent. We pass the model, the set of instruction, and what description of what is supposed to do. So yeah, this is the main purchasing agent, and as I previously saw you, this is the burger agent and this is a pizza agent. I'll just walk you through again. If I have to show you, this is a simple request that I made: show me burger and pizza menu. It will take this arguments, burger agent. As you see, the burger agent and the pizza agent, both of them are invoked, and finally a list of tasks, and it will show me what are the options right over here. And then I will say I would like to order one Hawaiian pizza and one classic cheese burger. So as you can see, of course, one order for one has been placed. If you like to finalize, please confirm this your been placed successfully. So I just told yes, and the order was successful. So every time it was communicating with the right remote agent. Whenever I was asking about the pizza agent, it was going to that particular agent. Can also show you by showing I show me pizza menu. Okay, as you can see, these are some of the pizza menu. Let's say that I want to order a veggie pizza. I would like to order veggie pizza. Of course, this has been placed. You'll finalize order. Yes. Okay, so as you can see that the order has been successfully placed. So this particular architecture is very important right over here. So this is what I was just showing, how this A2A communication work, that this is the client. So basically this purchasing client, concierge is the client. This is a main client from where user queries the request. Whatever commands we send, I would like to order the veggie pizza, it is diverted to the specific uh, agent to agent server. In our case, we have set up two remote servers. One is the burger agent and one is the pizza agent, and they seem to be working really well. And it can be expanded to how many number of agents we want. And yeah, these are some of the set of instructions that we previously saw, and the explanation of how the core component works. The agent card, each A2A server must have an agent card that's accessible to that particular this JSON that we saw right over here. This particular one is for pizza, so it is accessible, and that's the reason we are being able to call that from here. So yeah, this is it for this video. uh, Thank you so much.